Hey.
And si
Juana.
Joanna. Ngayon pa lang siya magpapak guys ng mga gamit niya.
Si Juana
Kasi
na din
siya,
na tapos
fuck you.
ta.
Gago, vlog natin yan.
Hindi, iba-iba yung vlog natin. Bayroom yung vlog.
Uy, sinala mo na!
Mute mo yan ah.
Eyo.
Nagutom na lang sila.
Akala ko sa kanya din
Ay.
Ay, Ben, sa last day, mag-order ako.
What are you having?
I'm having, I'm so hungry. I'm just eating my favorite spaghetti.
Burger steak with pineapple juice.
Si Marvin. Be, anong nafe-feel mo na magkakasama tayong sasakay sa aeroplano?
I feel welcome because, you know, Antique! Scream!
Anong ini-expect mo sa pagpunta natin sa Antique?
Mga boys, the ohms and the nota. Pasala ka. Okay. Pero ang sarap niya, no? From the head to the top. Oh my God!
Ang ganda nila.
Ang ganda po kasi yung style.
Guys, anong ini-expect mo pag nakapunta ka ng Antique?
Maku-culture shock.
Culture shock. Hi, Jacqueline.
What's Jacqueline?
Hi, wow. Are you a professional photographer?
Yes, I am.
Where do you study?
I studied in the University of
Kaya sa akin ka mag-bless.
Are you new cut?
Yes, sir.
What
Hell yeah.
cut is that? What haircut is that?
You can call this, how do I say this?
Can you take off your cap?
Cap cut.
Like an, video
Yeah.
editing.
Baka kasi pag nakita mo yung gupit ko, tigil mo na yung video.
Wow. Ooh. Hi, Ethan. Are you excited to fly
Siyempre,
with Cebu Pacific
of
Airlines?
course.
Do you feel accommodated?
Yes, very accommodated.
Hey, Joanna. Pinagandaan mo ba yung University of Cebu?
Wala na pa ako.
Puro pogi ka rin. Puro pogi ka. Parang mahal mo pa rin siya.
Kababayan.
Anong gusto mong kainin? Sa Iloilo. Jollibee. Sa Iloilo, Jollibee.
We are also formerly faculty. Sir J. Luces is from College of Arts and Science.
Sa tingin mo sino pinaka-attitude sa atin?
Okay na ba ito?
Hey, how do you rate the food? Rate out of 10.
The place, wait lang, may ano pa ako.
Okay lang yan.
The place, the ambience, I will rate it 9.5 over 10 because it's Filipino culture and style. You know that. And then the food,
Medyo magulo ka na.
Walang pati dito, pre! Nabata! Walang bakla dito!
starting my course.
The model, we should consider, does it show it like I might expect it to be?
Marvin, ano masabi na pauwi na tayo sa Pilipinas?
It's so good to be in Thailand and I miss Philippines already, so I will go home now. So people of the Philippines, are you ready?
Yes.
Scream!
Kamusta ba yung pinakabit niya si Thailand?
It's already attached right now.
Is it detachable?
Yeah, it's detachable.
Kaya house ka ba pa naman?
Yeah. They said that it's so easy to have that, like, because I already have that one and it's not that hard.
Saan pinalagay yung isa?
Sa,
Where did you put?
no, it's because you can put that upside down.
Oh.
Upside down.
If you're already tired to use the one, and you can flip it.
Can you
You understand? Yeah.
Kifi.
That's where
The Kifi Transformers. That's the updated one. Have you updated yours?
Yeah. Pe, ang dami nagpapapirma sa'yo, Pe. Nung kami gabi. Pe, ayun na, Pe. Kung na ito yung Pe. Ayun na sila, Pe. Ikaw yan. Lakla ka. Akin na, Pe. Hindi na